Hello there and welcome. I'm Eric Soriano, Senior Commercial Sales Rep with Hermes Landscaping, and I'm here to talk about how to reduce stormwater runoff with native grasses. So a lot of cities have a problem with too much stormwater runoff entering the storm sewer system. And the problem is generated by impervious surface. And let's face it, a fescue lawn, after it receives a half-inch of rain, becomes essentially an impervious surface. So the solution to that is very simple. It's converting large areas of fescue lawn into native grass areas. And it's a very popular means of infiltrating stormwater into the ground. So how that's done is we go through and we kill the fescue and remove the fescue grass from the area. And we come back in, we plant native grasses, either from seed or plugs. And then we let it grow and we establish it as a stand of native grass. And what we find is that we're able to reduce the runoff because the native grasses create billions of microchannels into the subgrade. What that means is with the deep root systems that native grasses have, they can have root systems 5 and 10 feet deep into the ground. They create these little channels where the stormwater can go into the ground. A fescue lawn, by comparison, typically only has a root system that's fairly shallow, and it fills up pretty quickly during a rainstorm. So once we've got a quarter to a half inch of rain, the fescue lawn is saturated and the water just runs off. So by converting that fescue lawn into native grass areas, we then create a microchannel system that creates a perviousness to the ground, or a porosity, if you will, that infiltrates stormwater into the ground without having it run off. And we're seeing cities that are challenged by this, that need to recognize this, and then start designating areas in the parks, in the rights of way, and different common areas that can be converted. And the other benefit that the cities receive is they no longer have to, once established, they no longer have to mow the native grasses. In many cases, they don't fertilize and they don't irrigate, but just by the reduction in cost of having to maintain those areas, they're able to lower their cost of maintenance and reduce the problem of untreated stormwater entering the stormwater system. So this is Eric Soriano with Hermes Landscaping. Just wanted to tell you a simple solution to reduce runoff from fescue lawn areas into the storm sewer system. Thanks again, take care.